Good morning, learner, and welcome to our today's lesson. And in our today's lesson, as you can see, we are beginning a new topic, averages, tables, and graphs. In this unit, we are going to discuss what average is, then come to tables, and then be able to transform those tables into graphs. So in our today's lesson, we begin with averages. And for us to be able to understand what average is, I'll give you an example of a learner A, learner X, who got in maths, got an 80%. Then in English, 75%, Swahili, 69%, social studies and RE, 81%, and then in science, this learner got 84%. So if someone asks you the average mean for this, learner X, for us to be able to get the mean, we add all these subjects. There are 5 subjects. So for us to be able to get mean, we are adding all the subjects. So we begin from here. So 80 plus 75 plus 69 plus 81 plus 84, and we divide that by the number of subjects we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. So that's how we get average. So the average for these people will be 80 plus 75, get 5, 5 plus 69, get 4, 2, 2, then 81, you get 5, 0, 3, then 84, 9, 8, 389. So if you want to get the average mark in every subject, you get 389 divided by 5 subjects to know the average per subject. So the mean per subject will be 389 divided by 5. By 7, 35, 39, by 7 again 35, you remain with 4.058. So that learner got an average of 77.8% in each subject. You can say the average mark for every subject, for the subjects, is 77.8 if you put average. So in this case, average or mean means the total number of items divided by how many items are there, the number of units. I want to give another example, Anna. They're told, what is the mean of the following? What is the mean? The mean of the following. A, 12, 14, 23, 35, and then 2. So if you want to get the mean of these items here, we add them. So 12 plus 14 plus 23 plus 35 plus 2 divided by how many items are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. So this will give you, this is 25, so 26. 26 plus this is 49. 49, that will give you 84. 84 plus 2, that will give you 86 over 5. So 86 divided by 5. One time you get 5. You remain with 4. Then you drop your 6, 9, 45. Remain with 10.02. So the average or the mean will be 19.2. So the average for these items which are listed here will be 19.2. Let's try to do another one, Lana. We get the average of items half, that is B. What is the average of half and a third? So Lana, the same way we are doing it. So if you are getting average, you add these two. So a third half plus a third, and here we are choosing the LCM. This is the LCM is 6, divided by this is 3, plus 2 times 1, that will give you 5 over 6. So what we are doing exactly, so 5 over 6, remember we said divide by, there are 1, 2 items, divide by 2. But don't say this, don't say 5 over 6 over 2. That will give you a wrong answer. So use this, in case you have a fraction, use this kind of division. Don't use the other one. But if it's a whole number, then you can use the other one of slash. So from there, you can be able to calculate and say 5 over 6 divided by 2, put that over 1, so that there are numerators and denominators. Lana, you remember what we did in class 6? That we don't work with this division. We must change that sign to be a multiplication by getting the reciprocal of this number. The number is 2 over 1. That's why I put 1 here, so that this number can have a numerator and a denominator. So from there, we can be able to change that. So this number does not change, it remains the same, 5 over 6. But the second number will change when we change the sign. So this remains, we get the reciprocal by getting the reverse of that. So 1 goes up and 2 comes down. So we interchange the numerator and the denominator. So that will give you like that. So the average will be, there is no common divisor here, so you get 5 over 12. So your answer will be 5 over 12. So exactly, that is what you do, Lana, to be able to get that question. I want to advance and give you a more complicated type of a question and be able to do. Rono sat for 3 mathematics tests. So 3 maths tests, and then that means that he did 3 papers. Did 3 papers for mathematics. Then you're told in the second, in the first test is scored at 5. So first paper he got at 5 marks. So these are marks. Then the second paper, this person got 55 marks. Then the third paper is scored 60. Third paper, Ronald scored 60 marks. The question goes, what was his mean mark for the 3 sub-tests? Mean mark, remember what we said mean? We add all these items, then we divide by how many they are. There are 1, there are 2, and then 3. So we're getting that 5 plus 55 plus 60 over, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, divide by 3. And Lana, don't be tempted to cancel, because you are seeing 3 and 6 here. We only cancel if the sign is division or multiplication. These two are the ones that we allow cancelling, simply because this can be changed to multiplication. That's why we cancel. But we cancel in division after changing the next number into a reciprocal. So here we just add the 5 plus 55, that will give you 90, and 90 plus 60 is 150. Then divide that by 3. So the average, you find that average mark was 50 marks. That was the main mark. The main mark for all these subjects. I made you another one. Then go to something else. The mean temperature. Okay, let me do this one. The mean age of 3 girls in school is 11.5 years. How many girls are there? 3 girls. And their mean is 11.5 years. I want to show you something else that comes in an exam here. And then you are told 2 of the girls are 9 years. So ages of 2 is 9, age 9 and 14 years. 14 years and 9 years. Then, what is the age of the third girl? The third girl age is not given. That is what we are looking for. So learn, look here and look here properly. Whenever you are given mean for a certain number, then you are given some items in that mean, and then you ask maybe for the other 2 or the other one which is remaining. It's very simple. Number one step that you do, because we are given the 2, there are 3 but we are given 2. So what we can be able to say is that the 2 are 9 years plus the second one is 14 years plus the third one we don't know. We can give it a letter, whatever letter you want to talk about. So you can say x years plus x years. Divide that by, how many are they, Lana? They are 3. Divide by 3. They are supposed to give you a mean of 11.5 years. Then we have formed an equation there that when we added the age of the 2, 9, 14, and the third one, which you don't know, which is an x, we divided that by 3. That was supposed to give us 11.5 years. See where we are adding 2. So in our equation now, we get 9 years plus, let me write it in short form, plus 14 years, or we can remove the years, plus 14 plus x is equals to, over 3 is equals to 11.5 years. Now listen now, look here, Lana. You first add this 9 plus 4 will give you 23. 23 plus x over 3 is equals to 11.5 years. But that now we can be able to change this 11.5 into 11.5. So let's change it to 11.5. 11.5 years. So that we have that. So what we do, Lana, this is the LCM. Remember what we said when you have an equation? So there are 2 ways you can be able to do this. This is an equation, and there is a numerator and a denominator, a numerator and denominator, which is 1. So in this case, our LCM is going to be 3 and 1, which is 3. Look here, Lana, well. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 23 is 23. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is equals to 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 times 11.5. So you get 11.5 times 3. That will give you 15 carry 1. This is going to be 4. Then this is going to be 34.5. So that's 4.5. After reaching there, Lana, remember we have an equal sign here. So we drop this LCM. We remain with this equation as 23 plus x is equals to 34.5. See where we are adding, Lana? Grouping like terms together. 23 and 34.5 look the same, but now we carry the smaller number to the bigger number. So this is a smaller number. We take it from the other side. And now this was plus 23. When it goes on the other side, it becomes minus 23. Look here, Lana. We are left on x on one side. So our x is equals to 34.5 minus 23. Going to be 5, 1. Then this is going to be 11.5. So our x is going to be 11.5 years. I hope you can be able to see that the age of the other girl is going to be 11.5 years. Let me do it in another way, Lana. Let me not use this way and use the other way where we reach at this point. After reaching at that point, we say you multiply both sides of the equation or any number of the equation with the LCM. So this is our number, 23 plus x. You cannot separate them. So you multiply that by 3, then you multiply this by 3. You see, Lana, why we got 23 plus x on the other side? Because this and this cancel. Because 3 and 3 is here. You cancel this. So you remain 23 plus x is equals to this times 3, you get that 4.5. There's another way, Lana. If you don't want to form an equation, it's very simple. We know two girls are giving us 9 plus 14. That is 23. The third girl is not there, but we have the mean. The mean is 11.5 years. So get the mean times the number of girls. So they are 3. So 11.5 times 3 girls. You get the total age for the 3. That will give you the total age, which is here. That will give you this. So that is going to be 5, 4, 3, that's 4.5. Then add the two who are given there. They will give you 23, subtract. Because these are 3 girls minus the age of two girls, the sum of the age of two girls, that gives you 1, 1. Lana, this is the third girl. So 3 girls minus 2 girls, you get 1 girl. And the third girl, 1 girl is 11.5 years. So either way, you will still get the answer. But now the problem is, when you don't know how to form the equation, then you are told that, or you are given there are 5 and you are given 3. Of course, Lana, they will tell you that the other 2, their age is the same. So if they are the same, that means whatever number you get, if you get that 4, maybe it was 55 minus something, you got that 4. This age is to be divided by 2 because the other 2, which are not in that mean, have the same age. So you divide here and you find that each one of them is 17. So this 34 is the total age of 2. So for you to get 1, you divide that by 2. So I want to stop at that level, Lana. I don't want to touch on mod because whenever I touch on that mod, you will get confused. But I want to give you work so that you will be busy, and then in our next lesson we'll be able to do mod. So I want you to attempt exercise 123 on page 212. I want you to attempt that exercise. Do it well the way I've shown you, and you will get all the answers correct. So until next time, Lana, I want to wish you very well in your studies back at home. Thank you.